That's when the kitchen table started to shake a little bit, and the old wooden legs unscrewed themselves and fell on the floor, leaving the long, flat table part floating by itself. Buckles started dancing again. That meant something else was about to happen, but I didn't know what. The very next thing, little Buckles and I were both on my great-great-great-grandmother's kitchen table. Well, just the top part, without the legs. And the table magically grew even bigger than it already was. And Buckles and me were flying. That's right, flying way up in the sky, with puffy white soft clouds rolling slowly by, passing us on the left side and the right, and we're flying right through them. I had no idea where we were flying to, but this flying part, it was simply amazing. When I looked over the edge of the table, I could see the whole world below me. The world looked so different from way high up where we were. I saw a lot of big areas of land, and all of those big areas of land had a whole lot of water around them. From where we were, there looked to be more water than land. Even though Buckles was just a little boy, he seemed to know a lot about everything. He told me the big areas of land we were looking at from way up above are called continents, and there are 7 of them. And the water we were looking at were called oceans, and there are 5 of them. What are the names of the 7 continents? I asked Buckles. I thought I might know some of them, but maybe not all of them. Well, he said, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Then I asked Buckles if he knew the names of the 5 oceans. And he did. He said, the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. I was impressed. Where did you learn all of that, Buckles? I asked him. Do you know what he told me? He told me he learned it from reading books. It was a long day for me. I'd been at work all day, came home, ate dinner, saw a leprechaun, was flying through the clouds on my kitchen table. I felt myself growing very tired. After dinner, I usually take a nap. So I lay down and closed my eyes and started to fall asleep. Right before I fell asleep, I asked my little leprechaun friend a question. Hey, how did you get the name Buckles?